Hello, Dr. Grace Carol P. Beltran here, your dermatologist, dermatologic surgeon, genetologist, and obesity resource person. Ang topic natin ngayon ay very common problem among many people, no? This is the 4 skincare tips for our hands. Okay. Nung panahon kasi ng COVID, lagi tayong nagpapahid ng sanitizer. Pero ako, personally, I don't want sanitizers because I feel that they are stronger than alcohol, no? And every time I apply it, nagda-dry talaga yung skin ko. So, I resorted more to alcohol than sanitizers. And then, I follow it up with an application of a moisturizer. Kasi when you do that, yung effect ng pagiging dry ng skin mo or ng kamay mo dahil sa paggamit mo ng alcohol or sanitizer, na ano ka agad, na iibsan ka agad. No? Kasi nga, you applied a moisturizer immediately. So, that's one thing. And then, number 2, when you expose your hands or the whole body, no, this is not only for the hand, when you expose your hand to extremes of temperature, like for example, when you open the faucet and then very hot water comes out or very cold water comes out, nakaka-irritate din ng skin yun, no? Nakaka-dry din ng skin, nade-deplete yung natural oil na nandiyan sa surface ng balat mo. Kasi nga, yung mga extremes of temperature na water, nag-wash out kaagad, na natatanggal nila kaagad yung natural oil na nasa balat natin. Kaya as much as possible, avoid too hot and too cold water on your hands every time you wash your hands. And then, follow it also with a moisturizer. Para kung ano man yung natanggal na oil dahil sa paghugas mo ng kamay, ay maano ka agad, makaka-recover agad, no? Mabibigyan ka agad ng moisturizer yung kamay natin. And then, number 3, apply sunscreen. So, it's not only our face that we should apply sunscreen. Kasi pag nagpapaaraw naman tayo, wala namang pinipiling lugar ng katawan natin ang sunlight, no? So, it can hit your face, it can hit your hands, your arms, your legs, no? So, yun. Kaya kapag ikaw ay lumalabas at nagpapaaraw, kailangan lagyan mo din ng sunscreen yung kamay ninyo. Actually, I'm guilty of this kasi ako as a doctor, ang dami kong hinahawakan na chemical, no? Tapos hindi pa ako nagsa-sunblock or sunscreen. Ang mga tao na dapat gumagawa nitong skincare tips for the hand ay yung mga doctors, nurses, hair stylists o yung mga nag-work sa parlor, mga dishwasher, laundry women, at saka yung mga nagluluto at laging gumagamit ng mga chemicals sa kamay nila, kagaya ng mga photographer, no? So they should be listening to this lecture now. Ngayon, kapag ganun ang trabaho mo, kailangan mag-special, you should be attentive to your hands more than the normal individuals who are not engaged in working in those fields that I mentioned earlier. So, at saka pamper your hands at night. Kung wala ka namang nagawa sa gabi, pwede mo namang gawin na ibabad mo yung 2 kamay mo sa warm or sabihin na natin yung maligamgam na tubig, no? Warm water that is not too hot, and then leave it there for 15 minutes, okay? Or you can use milk, mas maganda kasi may natural moisturizer na yung milk. You can soak your hands to milk for 15 to 20 minutes and then cover it. Syempre, you have to wipe it after and then cover it with cotton gloves. Or you may opt to, kung sobrang dry yung skin mo, you can opt to use mga plastic gloves, yung we use for cooking, no? Tapos i-seal mo yung kamay mo. Overnight yun. Yan. Pero avoid rubber gloves and other gloves that can sensitize also your skin. Okay, so those are my skincare tips for taking care of your hands, especially when you have eczema, like atopic dermatitis, psoriasis, cirrhosis, or anything else that you have on your skin. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.